Coloration does grow brighter during mating. Males can live to be over 40 years. Make shadows made by the tree older, and both the male.
The giraffe.
A lot better now. There are some wildebeest. And they hatch. They have gray feathers. See it since they're snacking. Eggs can weigh anywhere from 3 to 5.